How to fix Facebook ID verification. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you don't need to open your Facebook app. Go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this. Now scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click also OK. And now what you should do, the last things you need to do, you have to restart your phone, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.